Good morning, children. This is second class of your second poem and elementary school classroom in Islam in online class of Bishop Academy. Today's we will see here about the poet, about the theme and introduction of the poem, the message of the poem. Hopefully you are all ready for that lecture, for that class. आप जब भी क्लास में होइए तो सिर्फ क्लास में होइए, उसके साथ कुछ और मत करिए और बहुत ही ध्यान से, बहुत अटेंटिवली आप लेक्चर सुनिए। अपने सामने बुक रख लीजिए और लेक्चर के साथ आप उस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने की कोशिश करिए। सो लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी हियर अबाउट द पोएट। I have already told you this poet is Stephen Spender. Stephen Spender was born in 1909 and was dead in 1995. He is an English poet and essayist. He was one of the pioneers of poetics movements in the 1930s. His contemporary poets like C.D. Lewis, W.H. Auden, these were the other prominent poets of his time. Spender took a keen interest in the social and political problems of his times. Listen me carefully. This poet, Stephen Spender, is more curious, is more careful to highlight the social and political problems of his time. As a social reformer and pacifist of his time, he questions the values of education and the morals and ethics of individuals. The trial and tribulation of the post-World War. Europe finds expressions in Spender's verse and prose. Books by Spender include Poem of Dedication. I am telling you the books of Spender. So first is Poem of Dedication. This is the poem of Spender. The age of being, the creative elements, etc. These are the compositions of Stephen Spender. And here in this poem, your poem is An Elementary School Classroom in Islam. Spender beautifully brings out the theme of a social injustice and class inequalities. ये जो आपका पोएम है ना, एन एलिमेंट्री स्कूल क्लासरूम इन इस्लाम, यह प्राइमरी एजुकेशन की वर्णन करते हैं। वो जो गांव में बेसिक एजुकेशन होता है ना, जिसमें छोटे छोटे बच्चे अल्फ़ाबेट सीखने जाते हैं, वर्ड सीखने जाते हैं, इस पोएम के थ्रू पोएट स्टेफन स्पेंडर उस समाज में व्याप्त गैप को दिखाने का काम किया है। जो राजनीतिक आर्थिक विषमता है उसको बताने का काम किया है। कैसे इस समाज में अमीर बहुत अमीर है और गरीब बहुत गरीब है। इतना गरीब है कि उससे जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है वो नहीं मिल पाती। सो दैट इज द मैसेज, दैट इज द थीम थ्रू दिस पोएम। व्हाट इज द थीम? सोशल इनजस्टिस एंड क्लास इनइक्वालिटीज। जो सामाजिक अन्याय है, सामाजिक जो दूरियां है, जो विषमता है, जो असमानता है व्यक्ति के बीच में, इंसान के बीच में जो गैप है उसको दिखाने का काम किया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन द इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दिस पोएम. In this poem, Spender depicts the injustice which prevails in society. He talks of social injustice and class inequalities, denial of opportunity to slum dwellers, and also expresses his thoughts on the widening gap between the rich and the poor. Listen me carefully. he is describing about the gap which is there between rich and the poor. जो गैप है गरीबी और अमीरी का लोगों के बीच में, उसको बताने का काम करते हैं. जो असमानता है, जो अन्याय है समाज का, जो अवसरों की असमानता है, उस पे ये अपना चिंता जाहिर करते हैं. He somewhere or the other seems to be hitting hard at the capitalist economy. You know capitalist economy, पूंजीवाद, पूंजीपतियों की बात करते हैं ये, which helps the rich to get richer and the poor poorer. By with the help of this capitalist, with the help of this economy, rich is to get richer, and under the exploitation of this industrialist, poor is get to poorer. गरीब गरीब होता जाता है और अमीर अमीर होता जाता है. The civil rights movement in America had gained peace, and Spender's poem supports it when he exposes the condition of the haves and the haves not. The poem lucidly bring forth the miserable condition of the children of the slum and the inadequate educational facilities provided to them. The poem talks of racial discrimination and is a socialist proclamation that a country can prosper only if education reaches to the downtrodden in the society. He says that only education can improve the condition of the poorer, and when the education will reach to the downtrodden people, means to the poor people, the people who are quietly exploited. यदि शिक्षा दुबले दबे हुए नीचे तबके के लोगों तक पहुंचती है बिना किसी अवरोध के, वो सारे अवसर वहाँ तक पहुंचता है, तो देश विकास करेगा, तो सामाजिक असमानता, सामाजिक अन्याय ख़त्म होगा. तो इस पोएम के ज़रिए पोएट ने उस समय समाज में जो व्याप्त गरीबी और अमीरी है, जो शोषण है, उसको बताने का काम किया है. So this way I have told you the poet, about the poet and about the introduction of this poem. So mainly the theme of this poem, the message of this poem is based on social injustice and class inequality. सामाजिक अन्याय, सामाजिक असमानता और जो सामुदायिक असमानता है, जो वर्ग असमानता है, वर्ग मतभेद है, उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं स्टेफन स्पेंडर. So this is your second lecture, and in this lecture this is enough, and in a third lecture we will discuss about the explanation of stanzas wise this poem and an elementary school classroom in Islam. Okay, so try to understand, and if you have any queries, contact to me.